Good news, guys. This particular AI tools gives you free credits, free 100 credits, and that 100 credits enables you to generate your voice, that is text to speech, and also your video, that is text to video, and even to generate images. Watch this video that is here, watch the lip sync, and watch the consistency in character. Listen carefully. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this output before I proceed.
This pot will give you anything, but it listens to every word you speak.
Then I'll only speak good things.
I want the world! I want everything! Patience, my son. The pot is not yet ready.
Everything was generated using this free AI platform. And guys, there is no watermark. Without more ado, let me take you and show you how to use this tool. And before then, if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? This is Build and Brand with Quick. And on this channel, I help YouTuber beginners to grow, build, and monetize, and stay monetized, sharing strategies and mistakes to avoid, exploring AI tools to level up your content creation. Guys, let's go. Awesome, guys. So go ahead and type in this AI. Thank you, AI. Goodness, like when I saw this, I just had to quickly put it out here for you guys. And I'm using PC because I want you all to, to see the interface and know where I'm clicking and where you should be clicking. So this works both with your phone and with your PC. So don't limit yourself to only the PC, okay? You can try with your phone. It works everywhere. So when you open up to interface like this, I've already signed in, right? And I've generated a lot. So I'm going to sign out to sign in again so that you see how it is done. This is my other account. So I'm going to sign, okay? Now remember, you can sign up with, of course, with your temporary email. Yes, you can sign up with your temporary email by coming here to generate your, of course, the temp email, so that you can, if you don't want to use your email, you can sign up here, get your temporary email, use it, and keep creating. So once you open up to your temporary email, it's going to bring up this verification. So go ahead and verify whether you are human. And of course, we are human. Perfect, you are here. So the reason why I want us to use, okay, the reason why I want us to use this temporary email, I want to show you that aside using your own email, you can use a temporary email to still get the desired result, okay? So go ahead and copy this. This is the email we want to use to register. So head over to your email here and place the email here, okay? And type in your password. So I'm going to use any password of my choice, where we are going to put our verification code. So head over to your temp mail. Okay, once you head over to your temp mail, come here. Okay, just scroll down. You're going to see our code has been sent. Of course, this is it. So you're going to, yes, verify, okay? Verify code. Awesome. So let's go ahead and copy this to this platform, okay? Copy the code and paste it here. And is verifying us into the platform. So that means you can literally use a temporary mail for this purpose. You don't necessarily have to use your email. Do you understand that part? When your code is accepted, right, everything is okay. Now it's going to direct us into this interface automatically. We'll be locked in. Now the moment you are locked in, now look at this left bar. So I'm going to see all of this. I'm not going to explain all of it because I don't want this, but I want to show you how you can use text to speech and text to video, those two things, because that's what you need right now. So the first thing I'm going to look up here, you're going to see right, that's all, and then look down here, you're going to see 100 credits. To log in, you're going to see agents, okay, this agent, of course. Then this is audio, where you have audio, describe the tone, the pace, this is video, all right, where you have to create your video, all right. So now you can set this aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is already in order, but you can click this small button that is there and select your aspect ratio of your choice. So this is already in order. Now look at it. This is text, okay. Now we are going to use these models. We are giving all these models to select. We have the one, we have Cadence 1.5 Pro. This is what we are talking about, guys. We have VO 3.1 video generation. This one, text to video with audio. This is beautiful. So let's go ahead and select this. Okay, that's what we are going to use. Awesome. and this is the credit we'll be using. So this is where we are going to describe everything that we need, okay, to generate. So go ahead over to where you have your script, which is your ChatGPT, okay. I already have my script here, so I just want to show you and illustrate for you to see how this particular AI is being used. Remember, for you to use this text to video, you need to have your master prompt, because we need consistency across all our videos. You don't want scene 1 characters to be different from scene 2 characters. You understand? You don't want the environment to be different. So for us to achieve that, we need the permanent is a master prompt. So make sure you have a master prompt for consistency system. Do you understand? Now, in that say you use this across all scenes. So this is what you should be using. So I copy my master prompt. This is my master prompt. I head back to the platform and I paste my master prompt. I'm going to remove this text and watermark, because I don't need any watermark there. Then head back again to your ChatGPT. Go ahead and copy the scene 1 image prompt. Remember, you already have your prompts ready for video generation. So if you want me to make a video on how you can generate your prompt, your image prompt, and all of that, please guys drop in the comment section and then let's work with it, okay? Then this is our scene 1 animation prompt. Remember, we need master prompt, image prompt, animation prompt, and the dialogue, okay? The dialogue. So first, we are showing you the dialogue pattern, because a lot of you will really want to use this to start up your factor, of course, content creation or storytelling, videos, so you don't have to limit yourself, okay? So let's go over to our dialogue. This is our dialogue, okay? This is our scene 1 dialogue. You're going to copy all of these. This is a dialogue, okay? Or better still, copy all of this. It doesn't matter. It recognizes all of that. Do you understand? Then head back again and paste it here. So this is a complete script. We have our image prompt, we have our master prompt, we have our animation prompt, and we have our dialogue. Guys, at this point, you need to pay attention. Watch what is going to happen. The next scene is going to shock you. For us to see the consistency, so this, go ahead and generate from here. This coin here. Guys, did you see that? And it has actually given us the prompt here. So in case, you want to copy it and maybe do 1 or 2 things, right? Close it and then go ahead. It's either you download it from there. Let me show you where to download. So I download it from here. Okay, if you're okay with it. So let me expand it so that we can see the full session. This is beautiful.
This pot will give you anything, but it listens to every word you speak.
Then I'll only speak good things.
Did you see the lip sync? Perfect. So go ahead and click here to download it, okay? And it's already saved to your system. So let's generate our scene 2. I don't want to show you the consistency, so pay attention to this consistency. See what I'm going to do here. Now, what I'm going to do here is that you have to head back to your master prompt. Okay, head back to your master prompt. This is our master prompt. Okay, remember we are using this master prompt across all our scenes. So head back again, paste the master prompt here. Beautiful. Then head back again. Remember, I don't need any watermark, so remove this watermark. I mean, if yours has a watermark, so if you need this, let me know in the comment section and I will drop it for you guys, okay? Then head back again to scene 2. This time around, not scene 1, scene 2 image prompt. Yes, this is what I have to do for you, the community. So let me know if you need more of these videos, okay, in the comment section. I'll be so glad to be showing us more of the tools and we explore it together, okay? Then we copy the animation for scene 2. Beautiful. Go ahead and paste it here. Just do the same thing you did in the first scene. Our character is here at the end, okay? And then head back again, and then this is our voice prompt for your 2. Voice 1, elderly, okay? This is amazing. So this is like, yes, the voice for the 2 characters, voice 1, voice 2. So let's head back again to our scene 2 dialogue. Pick our scene 2 dialogue. The man, I'm tired of everything. Let it all disappeared. Okay? Thanks. The pot did not judge, it only obeyed. Okay? So let's get this done. Okay? Paste the dialogue here. Let's watch what is going to happen. Now remember, this part that is being given to us is for us to include it so that we'll be able to have the same tone and the same everything. This voice, the 2 character dialogue, the voice 1 elderly woman, voice 2 young African man, confident. They're supposed to include this in all our generation, okay? So let's include it here so that we can have that consistency. Go ahead and use here and click. So guys, 1, 2, 3, our scenes will be ready. So watch what is going to happen. So now, if you can't find it in the recent job, it's going to be under history. Okay, everything you're doing will be under history. So let's click this history and see if truly it's going to appear. They look at it here. It's here. So if you are confused, where are my works? Where are my works? It's only in the history folder. Okay, so click there and get your
I'm tired of everything. Let it all disappear.
works. And then, of course, so guys, let me know what you think about this output. This is the final result. So what you need to do is after you finish with everything, you gather everything to CapCut or your
This
video
bot will give
editing
you
tool
anything,
or
but it
platform
listens to every
and
word you
compile
speak.
everything,
And I'll only
assemble
speak good
everything,
things.
and
I'm tired
voila,
of
you
everything.
have
Let it all
your story
disappear.
ready. So thank you so much for watching to this time, and I hope you found this video helpful. Go ahead and give me some thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. See you in the next one.